Welcome to Activity 37. In this activity, you will be developing fluency with two-part bonds of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Begin by placing the clear plastic spinner on top of the game board. Each player will need a transparent counter. The reason they're transparent is because if one player lands on a space, the other player needs to be able to see what's underneath, because more than one player can land on the same space. The aim of the game is to be the first player to work your way around the track and end on the finish line. Let's begin. Player 1 can go first. They spin 6. They need to move to the first space that is worth 6, which is here. They do not move 6 spaces. Player 2 has their turn and they spin an 8. They need to move to the next space that is worth 8, which is up here. In bomb blocks, if the spinner lands exactly on the line, the player can choose which side of the spinner it lands on, and this can give you an advantage. As you work your way around the board, every green space means move forward 3, and the red mean move back 2. Let's fast forward towards the end of the game. If we were here and it's the blue player's turn, they're currently on the 7. If they spin a 9, they would move to here. If they spin an 8, they would move to here. However, if they spin a 6, they get to move straight to the finish line. In the same way, if they spin a 7, they get to move straight to the finish line and win. Now it's your turn to play the Racing Monster Truck game. Thanks for watching.